Why do you want to be a data analyst? A data analyst job is to take data and use it to help companies make better business decisions. I chose this role because it contains the skills I am good at and I find data and marketing research interesting. I am good at math. I have loved numbers since I was a little kid, and I am good at collecting data and doing market research. So, this field seems like a natural fit. I am very fascinated about coding. I have always been fascinated by programming languages like SQL and Python. Programming helps me think up of solutions that solve some complex business problems. To add to this, I also like to build things people use. There is a huge opportunity to progress if you choose a career in data, as it is growing industry and relevant to so many different businesses. For example, it is widely used in healthcare, banking, consultancy services, and e-commerce industries. This role lets me use my skills in a collaborative environment where I can learn from some of the best minds in the industry. Tell me about a time you had to handle a conflict with your colleagues. My senior year of college, I took a class that required me to take part in a group project. It was a group project. Everyone was assigned a specific duty with the idea that we would work on them independently and then all get together ahead of the deadline and combine our efforts into our final project. While most of us completed our task, there was one guy in our group who had neglected to do anything on his end. With the way the project was structured, if one student failed, we all failed. Clearly, the rest of the group was very upset and expressed their unhappiness quite vocally. The, the entire situation devolved into a shouting match. Rather than get involved in the blame game, I pulled the student aside and asked him what had gone wrong. When he realized I was looking for answers and was not just going to shout at him, he broke down and told me the reasons for his delay. Those days he was working full time and managing the time was very challenging. It was not that he did not want to do the project. He would just completely run out of time. He confessed that he felt horrible and had wanted to explain, but when the rest of the group started yelling, he had switched into defensive mode. I calmed down the rest of the team and we all sat down, figured out how to fix the problem. For this, we had to work additional hours. We had to postpone several tasks that were not urgent. We cancelled our fun activities. We were able to complete this project successfully and on deadline. We all got an A pass in the class. Why do you want to work at this company? I would be proud to build a career with JP Morgan, a company with such a long history of leadership in the industry. Your company consistently ranks as one of the best places to work in the country, and the employee testimonials make it clear why. The company in the company's enthusiasm for developing its employees by providing resources, training, and education has fostered a creative and productive environment of professionals that are truly engaged with their work. As a result, you have created some of the most impressive campaigns that I have ever seen. I would love to be a part of such a hardworking team. Also, a good friend of the family has been working in a corporate finance at JP Morgan for the last 2 years, and he told me that the culture supports learning and development on the job and really rewards hard work. There are values I also share and feel I could be an excellent fit with JP Morgan. Thank you.